For years, when it comes to CSEC IT and CAPE Computer Science crash courses, makeITsimpleTT has been the #1 place for years. Many students will tell you, all these students here, they have all said it's the best crash course that you could find. So this year, no change. We have the basic, the standard, and the pro. Basic is a set of videos. Each video is broken up into different parts of the syllabus, and you go through 1.5 hours to 2 hours of video that goes through all my custom-made notes for CSEC IT, CAPE Computer Science, and CAPE IT. That'll get you through everything. If you didn't have any notes before, if you didn't have any textbook, if you didn't have a teacher, these notes will take you through and the video explains things in a faster way. Standard, of course, is if you want the video, you could watch the video and you could get all the information. But standard, it gives you a WhatsApp group where you could ask questions about anything that you want to ask about the syllabus. When you get inside our WhatsApp group, you'll get an answer to questions. You'll get other students who are in the WhatsApp group and they'll be able to answer questions for you also. And it creates a very small community, a small niche community of people that are able to work together to do better in the subject. And Pro now gives you the video, the WhatsApp group, and it gives you a live question and answer class that goes on from the time we start to the time that we finish. That means class just starts, there is no set time. You just keep asking questions over and over and over and over. And as much questions as you ask, I will answer. Those classes will happen a few days before the exam so that you'll be able to get the best out of it and you'll be able to get the answers you need a few days right before the exam. But it doesn't stop there. I created some extra things that I realized some students may or may not need. One of them is in the CSEC IT crash course. I created a theory bootcamp. The theory bootcamp is 13 videos. Each one of them is about 20 minutes that specifically goes through every single word of the syllabus and explains every single thing that you need to know that the syllabus requires you to know. And also, I created a past paper sprint for all subjects. So for CSEC, CAPE Computer Science, and CAPE IT, there's a past paper sprint, which means you get the latest papers, at least the last 8 past papers and multiple choice, worked out in class, answering your questions, going through every single thing that you want to know. You'll be able to get the answers to the question. And of course, there's the Ultra package. Ultra just gives you everything all in one at a discounted price. And that's for people who had no teacher, you didn't have anybody in class for the past few years, you didn't have any notes, you were sick. Whatever the case is, the Ultra package basically gives you every single thing you need to be able to pass these exams, and not just pass these exams. Get a 1 also, because it gives you everything that you need. So, head over to makeITsimpleTT.com/crash course and you could see all of the information there. You could choose which package you want. You could register for whatever you want to register for, or you could WhatsApp us at 1-868-308-8799. All the information will be below here and the information will be in the links, and you could go to makeITsimpleTT.com/register and register for the crash course. And I promise you, you will get the best IT and computer science tuition that you've ever seen.